Amazfit Bip 6, the ultimate budget smartwatch with premium features. Discover the Amazfit Bip 6, a game-changing budget smartwatch that brings premium features to your wrist without breaking the bank. This latest offering from Amazfit boasts a stunning 1.97-inch AMOLED display, delivering vibrant colors and sharp visuals, even under direct sunlight with its impressive 2000 nits brightness. Thiwerify, sleek and durable design. Crafted with an aluminum alloy frame and a lightweight build of under 30 g, the Bip 6 offers a premium feel while ensuring comfort for all-day wear. Its 5 ATM water resistance makes it suitable for swimming and enduring various weather conditions. Advanced health and fitness tracking. Stay on top of your health with the Bip 6's comprehensive tracking capabilities. Heart rate monitoring, 24/7 real-time tracking with alerts. Smartwatch Insight, blood oxygen SpO2 tracking. Monitor your blood oxygen levels for overall wellness. Stress and HRV analysis. Understand your stress levels and heart rate variability. Sleep tracking. Gain insights into your sleep patterns and quality. With over 140 sports modes, including running, cycling, swimming, and the unique Hyrox race training, the Bip 6 caters to all fitness enthusiasts. Its strength training recognition feature automatically detects muscle exercises, providing detailed insights into your workouts. Built-in GPS and offline maps. Navigate your adventures with confidence using the Bip 6's built-in GPS and offline maps. Whether you're hiking, running, or cycling, the round-trip routing ensures you stay on track without needing your phone. While it lacks dual-band GNSS, the GPS accuracy remains reliable for most outdoor activities. Smart features and AI integration. Enhance your daily life with smart features such as Bluetooth calling. Answer and make calls directly from your wrist. Zep Flow Voice Assistant. Control your watch and access information using voice commands. Smart notifications. Stay updated with calls, messages, and app alerts. Thiwerify. The Bip 6 also introduces AI-generated fitness plans, offering personalized workout insights to help you achieve your fitness goals. Impressive battery life. Say goodbye to frequent charging with the Bip 6's 340 mAh battery, delivering up to 14 days of typical use or around 6 days under heavy usage. This long-lasting battery ensures you stay connected and on track without constant recharging. Availability and pricing. The Amazfit Bip 6 is available in 4 stylish colors: black, charcoal, stone, and red. While the official price is yet to be announced, it's expected to be in the sub-$100/£100 range, making it an affordable choice for those seeking a feature-packed smartwatch. The European launch is anticipated in March, with US availability details to follow. Why choose the Amazfit Bip 6? The Amazfit Bip 6 stands out as a budget-friendly smartwatch that doesn't compromise on features. With its AMOLED display, comprehensive health tracking, built-in GPS with offline maps, and smart functionalities like Bluetooth calling and AI coaching, it offers exceptional value for its price point. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or someone seeking a reliable smartwatch for daily use, the Bip 6 is designed to cater to your needs. Smartwatch Insight. Order yours today. Experience the perfect blend of style, functionality, and affordability with the Amazfit Bip 6. Stay tuned for official pricing and availability updates, and be ready to elevate your wearable tech game with this impressive smartwatch.